took an oath, and right in the oath it says that you should, wherever possible, try to help the defenseless and the oppressed. And so I've always thought of it as something that I'm supposed to do as an attorney, but as it turned out, it's something that I really enjoy doing. It's just been a very rewarding thing, and I feel as though I ought to try to take on more cases, because every time I do, I find that I get a lot of satisfaction.
You have to give back. I don't know that everybody agrees. I don't know that everybody feels generous or feels empathy for others, but we lawyers are often held out to society as not being the best of the bunch. I think when we do things like this, we help the image of the profession, and then individually you'll get a lot of personal satisfaction from doing essentially something for nothing for you, but that works out well for somebody else who really needs the help.
I have a body of knowledge that I gained from 40 years experience in practicing law. And there's one thing you can do with it. You either continue to practice and make money, or you can take whatever experience and body that you've learned from your body of law and pass it on to other people that don't have that same or similar type of experience. Mm-hmm. There's more to practicing law than just gaining money. It's the feeling that you've done a good job, even if you're not successful, that you've done a good job representing your client, and that your client appreciates that.
You know, a lot of these people have children, they're victims of domestic violence, they have no other way of getting what they're entitled to or anything, and they could really get railroaded if they don't have somebody there to help them. Every dollar of child support I get them, or every dollar of legal fees I save them, or costs that legal aid is so generous to pay for, they appreciate it. Even if it's a couple $100s in child support extra, it makes a world of difference.
I love doing the pro bono work, and particularly working with the children, because of the rewards that I get back from a personal level, the gifts that the children give me with respect to lessons in patience and being honorable, and they're just a gift in my life. Oftentimes they've had a lot of adults in their life that are not trustworthy, that are not honorable, that haven't been there for them. I do feel that their lives have changed for the better, and I'm proud and pleased to be a part of that.
I do work for legal aid because it is the most rewarding legal work that I believe I can do. It makes it very intense, but on the other hand also rewarding to be able to work on these cases and feel you have sort of a safety net of knowledgeable lawyers to help you.
If you're the new lawyer just getting started, then doing pro bono work is going to give you an opportunity to perhaps get in and try things that where you're presently at are not open to you to do. So if you're in a firm like ours that does wills, trusts, and estates work, getting in and doing a juvenile matter through legal aid and using legal aid to help you resolve that matter or work your way through it will give you an opportunity to try something new, and maybe you'll find something you really like.
Definitely there's a need, and it's a great sense of satisfaction when you're able to help people resolve some problems that they may not have been able to resolve without your help. And I think it's a great benefit for the community.
Kathy Maracas and I feel like we're the daring duo that goes out to people's homes. She'll give me a call and we'll go out to these very scary neighborhoods, and we'll try to find people that are failing on their own, and we'll see if they're able to make their own decisions, and I help her with that. So I'm happy that there's people out there that are willing to help the mentally ill when our most basic mental health is not covered by Medicaid, which primarily provides to these underserved population.
It's all about giving back to the community, not just with your money, but with your time and your effort. Because, anybody can write a check. But to give of yourself and your time and to show your children that it's important to devote these things to the community. Because without community involvement, people suffer.
The Young Lawyer section is definitely involved with legal aid, and it's one of our real goals to get legal aid as much funding as possible. If you're young, you've got the energy, you've got the ability, nobody's holding you back, you should be helping people. It's that simple.